R&D head Mr. Nagamori Akira represents a vision where cutting-edge technology fuels sustainability at scale. I would request Nagamori-san to come up stage for his address. Nagamori-san.
Thank you for introducing about me, and thank you very much for joining us today. I will present Daikin's initiative and future vision under the theme From Emission to Ambition, our commitment to decarbonization. To begin with, I'd like to briefly introduce Daikin as a company. Founded in 1924, Daikin is a unique HVAC manufacturer with over 100 years of history. We are the only global company producing both AC products and refrigerants. With over 90,000 employees and 120 global production bases, we lead the industry in both revenue and innovation. Now let's move on to the main topics. Let me now explain in more detail why sustainable cooling has become such a pressing global issue. Due to climate change, global demand for cooling is rising sharply. One key indicator of this trend is cooling degree days, CDD. According to projections, global CDDs will increase by around 25% by 2050. While the spread of the air conditioning improves the comfort, health, and productivity, it also leads to a dramatic increase in electricity demand. According to the IEA, global energy consumption for cooling is expected to triple by 2050. In particular regions like the Middle East, Africa, and India, and Southeast Asia, where temperatures and population is rapidly rising, are at the forefront of this challenge. Providing energy efficient and sustainable cooling in this area is not just a business opportunity, but a social responsibility. Let's now take a closer look at CO2 emissions across the entire product life cycle. For Daikin's HVAC products, more than 98% of the greenhouse gas emissions occur during the usage phase and due to refrigerants. Specifically, 86% of the emissions come from the electricity consumption during use. This clearly shows that if we truly want to reduce the environmental impact, our focus must be on the two main areas: reducing energy consumption during product use and managing refrigerants property at the end of the life. Next, I'll explain the technologies that make this possible. Now, let's take a look at Daikin's effort in refrigerant innovation. In air conditioning, refrigerants play a critical role in determining both energy efficiency and environmental impact. Daikin was the first to widely promote R32 refrigerant, which has only about one-third the GWP of the conventional refrigerants. For example, R410, a previous common, has a GWP of 2087, while R32 GWP is just 675. Because less refrigerant required, so overall CO2 impact is reduced by up to 72%. In India, Daikin was the first to adopt R32 12 years ago and has since worked actively to promote its use. Today, all manufacturers are using the R32. Oh, sorry. Next is the inverter. This is a technology that allows the compressors operating speed to be freely and efficiently varied without waste. And compared to conventional fixed speed model, it can achieve up to 50% energy saving. Daikin was the first to introduce this technology in volume zone models in India, and today over 80% of the market has shifted to inverter type air conditioners. Now let me introduce our new typical technologies. In the case of the compressors, we are sorry. This one. Now let me explain about the need of the dome further promote energy saving. For improving the energy efficiency of the products, key technology includes the compressor, inverter, heat exchanger, fan, motor, and overall refrigerant cycle optimization. In terms of the energy saving during actual use, we need technologies that can create comfortable space even at higher set temperatures, and reduce the unnecessary power consumption also. Now let me introduce our new typical technology. In the case of the compressor, we are developing the IPM motors and high efficiency design by using the oil dynamics analysis. In DC inverters, we are developing with a silicon carbide power module to achieve the higher efficiency. For heat exchangers, we are developing MCHX with realized multi-pass configuration compared to copper heat exchangers. Currently, they are used only cooling, but we have developed for heating also. We believe that various technologies are being developed by the other companies as well. All of these efforts are for delivering future energy saving to customers. These technological breakthroughs are driven by our Technology and Innovation Center in Japan with a huge investment. This center is the brain of the Daikin R&D strategy and the basement of our decarbonization ambitions. Back now. Sorry. Daikin Industries has set a target on net zero by 2050. Mentioned in Environmental Vision 2050. For achieving the target, we will challenge the product with high energy efficiency and low GWP refrigerant, and solutions with IT, IoT, and usage of the power of the air. Cooling demand is rising, but we believe it must be delivered responsibility. Daikin is committed to leading the way toward a carbon neutral and sustainable world. Thank you very much for your attention.
In Greta Thunberg's words, you are never too small to make a difference. And the words of Nagamori-san are a proof that every breakthrough starts with a belief. Thank you, Nagamori-san, for that compelling and deeply technical perspective on the decarbonization imperative. Thank you.
I would like to request Mr. Suresh Chauhan, Mr. Prashant Pavicha, and Mr. Milind Ingole to please come on stage to felicitate Nagamori-san. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Nagamori-san.